In this video, I will explain how to use Yabinya Karate Scoringboard version 3.0. First, here we have the competitor menu. In this feature, we can add contingent and athlete data that will compete. Next, this menu is used for the Karate Scoringboard and KATA Scoringboard. Then, match result is used to view saved match data. Okay, first I will explain the function of the competitor's menu. Now, I will try adding an athlete name, then select the team, which is managed in this menu. For example, I will add Dojo X. For the picture, I will use a country flag. Then click Add. Select the team, then click Add. Okay, we have just added the data manually. Next, we will try adding competitors by importing data. Here, I have already prepared an Excel file for data import. In this Excel file, there are 3 columns: name, team, and team info. Now, I will import it from this menu. Click Import Excel, then click Select File. On the left panel, there is a column mapping feature. This allows us to use different Excel formats and map columns for name, team, and team info. All Excel columns will appear in this drop-down. You can also select the sheet here. Competitor picture contains the file path for the competitor image. Team picture contains the file path for the team or contingent image. And here, there is an option to use country flag. If the country flag is enabled, all teams in this list will use the selected country flag as their team image. And then click Save. Okay, next I will demonstrate the Karate Scoringboard. Click the Karate button. Then select the competitor that we added earlier. You can search for the athlete here. Now click Start Scoringboard. Then click View Screen to display the second screen. Click the Score button. Click Change Score to cancel or modify a score. This is the Senshu button, and here are the buttons for penalties. These buttons are used to start and pause the timer. For keyboard shortcuts, you can set them in this menu. For example, Start/Pause Timer, aka Yuko Score, and AO Yuko Score. If you want to change a shortcut, click Change in this section. When the match is finished, click Save Match Result. For the next match, you can prepare it here. Then click Load Next Match. The scoring board will update automatically. To change the scoring board display to vertical mode, configure it here. Then click Start Scoring Board. For Hante, click here. Next, I will demonstrate the KATA Scoringboard. Before continuing, we need to register the tatami ID to the KATA scoring server. There are two server options, local server and Yabinya server. We will use the default option, which is Yabinya server. Then click Register Tatami to server. Okay, now the status is registered. Let's continue with the KATA scoring process. For the KATA scoring board, we first select the competitor or use manual input. Here, there are two scoring modes, flag system and score system. For the score system, we can choose online mode. First, we will try the flag system. Select the KATA name for the competitor. Then click Start Scoring Board. Click View Screen to display the second screen. For competitor 2, click here. And for all competitors, click here. Set the scoring system to flag system. Then click Save Match Result to save the match result. For the next match, select the competitor here. Then click Load Next Match. Next, I will demonstrate the score voting method. Here, we have rule options for 2024 and 2026. Select Score Voting Rules 2026. Don't forget to select Online Mode. Then click Assign Task to Judges. Judges can log in using a QR code. Save it as a PDF. Print it and place it on the judges table to be scanned using a smartphone. Okay, now let's see the KATA scoring process. All judges have submitted their scores. To display the score voting pop-up, click Show Score, and AO becomes the winner. Then click Hide Score and Save Match Result. If you change any information in the text boxes, the scoring board will not automatically update. You must click Update Info to update the scoring board. For the waiting timer, click here. For the KATA timer, click here. For the sound alert, click here. For KATA keyboard shortcuts, you can learn or configure them here. Okay, that's how to use Yabinya Scoring Board version 3.0. Thank you for watching.